Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add records instantly to your Notion database, all with just the click of a button. If you've ever wanted a faster way to create tasks, notes, or entries without manually filling out the database each time, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a smooth, easy button that automatically adds and opens a new page in your database for quick editing. Let's jump right in. So imagine you already have your database set up in Notion. Maybe it's for tracking tasks, projects, or even your reading list. The problem is, every time you want to add something new, you have to click New and then fill in the details. What if you could just hit a button labeled Add Task? Boom! A new page pops up, ready to go. That's exactly what we're building today. Starting off, the first thing you'll do is type a slash, then the word button, that's button, in your Notion page. This will bring up the button block feature. You might have seen this before, or maybe it's your first time, but it's super handy. The button block lets you automate basic actions with a single click. If you're following along, go ahead and try typing that in to create your button. Now, let's add a bit of extra polish. A confirmation message. In the button configuration, select Show Confirmation. This step is often overlooked, but it's actually pretty important, especially if you want to prevent accidental clicks. So when you or someone else hits that button, Notion will pop up a message to confirm you want to add a new record. You can customize what it says. For instance, are you sure you want to create a new task, which adds a simple safeguard and gives users a moment to double-check their intention. It's a small thing, but it can save time and mistakes in the long run. Moving on, let's tell the button what to do. After the confirmation, add an action to Add Page. Notion will ask you to select which database you want to add this new page to. So if your database is called Tasks, make sure you select that from the list. This connects the button action directly to your chosen database, so all your new entries go where you want them without any extra steps. At this point, you'll be prompted for a name. But here's the trick. Just leave the name blank for now. This will open a fresh page without any preset title, letting you jump in and write whatever you need. Sometimes people try to template the page name, but leaving it blank means you won't have to edit or delete any filler text later. It's clean and ready as soon as you click. Now, for a final touch, add the Open Page action. This means that right after the new page is created, Notion will open it for you automatically. No need to search in the database or click around. It pops open center screen so you can get right to work. Once the page is added, choose Center Peak for the open style. This brings your new page front and center, like a spotlight, making it easy to start typing details, add properties, or create subtasks. The possibilities are wide open, and that's it. Your new button is ready to use. Give it a try. Click the button, confirm the action, and watch as a new page is created and opens up instantly in your database. You've just streamlined your workflow and made Notion even faster for everyday tasks. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another feature you want to see covered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.